How to delete all Facebook shared posts. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To delete all the Facebook shared posts, make sure your Facebook is up to date. In order to assure it, tap open your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, search for Facebook. Make sure that the Facebook is up to date. If not, you will see an update button next to the open button. Just click on it to update your app. If it is up to date, just click on open. If you are not logged in into application, make sure to log in into your account, from which tap on the three horizontal line at the top. From the menu list, click on your profile. At the top, you will see a three-dot button. You need to click on it. From here, select on Manage Post. Here you will see all of the posts that you have shared. In order to delete it, just click on the post. At the bottom, you will see a trash can. Just click on it. Then you will get the chance to tap on Delete Post. After which, you'll be able to delete all the posts on Facebook. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.